Hi, my name's Jeff from Team Glue. We're obsessed with helping college students just like you get straight A's on all their tests and exams and of course in their classes and graduate on time. I want to thank you for downloading our stress-free test taking guide, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's coming in our upcoming video series. That way you know whether you should watch it or not. So the first video you're going to get is about our study blueprint. This is a simple 3-step method that's going to make it so easy for you to study that you'll almost be impossible for you not to get straight A's. After that, you're going to see a couple user stories. This will be Amina and Ryan H. and how they used the service to get their A's. Then we're going to tell you a story of somebody who graduated in just 3 semesters that we found. This story is amazing. After that, we're going to show you how treating each note in your study as an emergency is going to revolutionize the way that you learn. After that, we're going to show you the easiest way for you to study that's going to save you tons of time, effort, and of course, poor grades. Check your email this week and we're going to change the way you study. Thank you so much.